What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy sections, or they will call it blocks, from one Notion board or one Notion template to the next. Now the reason I'm telling you this is that if you want to create your own template in Notion, let's say you have different free templates, I'm going to go ahead and create a new page and just show you our easy idea. So let's say I create a new page in Notion and I go to templates, which is the marketplace, and I find whatever I want to find, right? So let's take, for example, daily planner, right? For example, I'm going to type in daily planner and I'm going to hit search, right? Now you will be able to find a ton of different templates that you could actually use on Notion. Now you'll be able to find a ton of different free templates or paid templates that you will be able to find in Notion, right? And you will find some section that you like, some section that you don't like, some section that you want to use in a different design, and you may be wondering how you can get that. And that's where copying those different blocks or sections and put it into another one, or even a brand new page or a new page, and create your own little template to the style to what you actually want, right? So how do you do that? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, I have two different pages here. I'm going to just choose two different random pages that I have on the left side and show you how I would actually do that. So this is, for example, one ultimate planner here, and I'm going to use it with a daily planner. So this is one planner, which is the ultimate daily planner. And I also have, for example, a simple planner. So let's say I want to use a section here from this page. I'm going to go ahead and take maybe something from the ultimate planner. So let's say I want to use a simple planner and I just want to take a section. Let's say I want the calendar, for example, this section here, right? Now, what you can do is simply look towards the left hand side and you will have this little, let's say, hand that will show up a plus, and you also have like 6 dots. Click there and it's going to give you some options, right? Now from here you want to go ahead, choose where it says copy link. So go ahead and click on copy link and you'll be able to copy the link to your clipboard. Now you want to go over to the page that you actually want to use, which is the next page. I'm going to click this simple one and scroll down and find wherever the section you want to add it. Now all you have to do is press Ctrl V. It's going to show up as a link, but don't worry, you'll have the option where it's going to say to link dashboard view, or it will also say to link block or something. Go ahead and choose this option and you will see that it actually shows up the entire thing for you. As you can see, it shows up. Now, I want to mention to you that once you go ahead and link that, you will sometimes see where it actually shows you the option to say, okay, if you want to sync it or not. And I'm going to show you another example. So this is how you can easily go ahead and copy it from one to the next guy. So as you can see, I have this over here and I can actually use it. Let me show you another example. So I have, for example, this medical planner here. And if I want to go ahead and copy something from one section to the next, let's say I would like to copy this list. I can click on this again, and here you will see the option copy link to block. I can copy that and I can go to another one. Let's go back to, for example, this simple planner here. So I'm going to go back to my simple planner and I'm going to go down to the bottom here, for example, and let's say I want to add it. So I'm going to go ahead and click, for example, Control V, paste it. And here you will see where it says mention or sync block. I can click on sync block, it's going to show up. But then once I do that, I also have the option to copy and sync. I can do that and I can have the copy and sync, or I can go ahead and click the 3 dots and I can just say unsync. Now the sync basically means that it will sync the data from the one page to the next, but you can unsync it and it's going to basically still keep the design and the layout, but it will just be independent data. So as you can see, I click unsync, copy, and it's now there, and I can just basically use it fresh. So you can choose if you want to sync the data, or you can unsync it and just use it fresh and keep the design into your template. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.